Ang tao pala, may dalawang pagkatao. Una is worldly body. Ito, you can pinch it, pag ginanon mo, masasaktan ka. Because it is a worldly body. Your worldly body, you feed it through your mouth. How about your spiritual body? You feed it through your ears. Pakikinig sa mga turo ng life coaches. Doon mabubusog ang spiritual body natin. Imagine, for how many years na hindi ka nakinig, hindi ka pumasok sa simbahan mo. Imagine, hindi kalansay na yung spiritual body mo. That's why we have this swing. We have this MBK para mabusog yung spiritual natin. And if you feed your spiritual body, magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind, peace sa puso, magkakaroon ka ng confidence. At every time na mabigyan ka ng challenges sa buhay, mga mabibigat na challenges sa buhay, as a police officer, you will never go wrong in your decision making.